Why haven't we discovered intelligent life beyond our world? Think about it. The universe is massive. It is so unbelievably large that our minds cannot even comprehend how vast it is. The first image from the James Webb Telescope is a great example. Every speck is a galaxy, which has millions, if not billions of stars and planets. And this picture is the equivalent of holding up a grain of sand to the sky. It's a fraction of the universe. For life to exist, a planet must be in the perfect place at the perfect time. But with how many planets and stars there are, it's mathematically improbable that none of them have life. In fact, there's a higher chance of there being life at some point than rather not at all. So why haven't we found it yet? As far as we know, Earth is the only planet with life on it. Well, there's an answer. The Great Filter. Picture a ladder. Stable, straight, and secure. But somewhere on this ladder, there is a broken rung. You just can't tell which rung is compromised. So when you climb up, you know that there's a broken rung, but you have to continue blindly until you inevitably find the broken one. And 99% of the time, you will fall off the ladder when the rung breaks. This ladder is the Great Filter. At the bottom rung are single-celled organisms, then come multi-celled organisms, and so forth. The top of the ladder is an intelligent species with control over the universe. Currently, humanity is on the rung where intelligent species has control over their home planet. On the Kardashev scale, which ranks the progress of species from 0 to 5, humanity is at 0.72. We've got a long way to go. Every intelligent species has to climb this ladder, and since every ladder has a broken rung, all species face the same issue. The rung could be far up the ladder. Perhaps intelligent species fail when they attempt to take control of their solar system, or maybe even when AI becomes so advanced that it takes over. The rung could be right in front of us, in the form of nuclear warfare. If the rung is ahead of us, then we're in trouble because 99% falls off the ladder. But if that were the case, then it would be easy for life to develop and become intelligent, right? Because life wouldn't have encountered the broken rung yet. Becoming intelligent and taking over a home planet would be easy, if not common. But that's not the case. We haven't found life yet, which suggests that it's difficult to develop life. That's a great sign. That would mean the rung is below us on the ladder. We survived the broken rung. And that would mean we're in the 1% of life that survives, and the Great Filter would be behind us. If this is the case, then there's nowhere to go but outwards and further into the vast universe.